A lot of trucking companies use spreadsheets to manage their operation, whether that's Excel or Google Sheets. These are free, they're easily customizable, but they're not made to be a TMS. Excel was not made to be a TMS, so it lacks some really helpful tools that a good TMS would offer, like routing optimization, load visibility, driver mobile app, accounting integration, other integrations like ELD integrations. It's also harder to collaborate with a spreadsheet. So with an Excel spreadsheet, for example, you're trying to share that spreadsheet with your customers, with your dispatcher, which with accounting, some things may accidentally get deleted. You may show that customer more than they need to see. It's harder to share information. It's also harder to share documentation that's related to a load, whether that's a BOL or a lumper receipt. Loads need records that go along with them that are always stored, and it's hard to store documents in Excel. So a good TMS like Alvys is going to solve all of these problems and going to make all of the workflows that a trucking company encounters on a daily basis a lot simpler and easier, with things like easy collaboration, integrations with all the tools that you're already using, driver mobile apps so that communication is easier. That's just a few examples, but basically everything that a trucking company does is optimized with a good TMS.